After this short introduction, let's see what you will learn in the upcoming modules. Introduction to AWS. This introductory module will help you to understand cloud computing, its uses, who is using it, and how it will help you to run your cloud infrastructure. Since many of you may already be familiar with AWS, this module is available at the end of the course for those of you who want to get familiar with AWS or brush up their knowledge about it. In the next module, AWS RDS Overview, you will get introduced to AWS RDS and its advantages. You will also create a mySQL DB in RDS using the default network and verify the connection. You'll then proceed to the module AWS RDS in a VPC, in which you will look at creating an RDS DB instance inside a VPC. The Operational Guidelines module will give you guidelines that you should follow after creating or launching a DB instance. You will cover topics like monitoring, scaling, performance, and so on. The next module is Backup and Recovery. In this module, you will go through backup, recovery, and snapshots. Finally, you will also look at some of the multi-AZ features of AWS RDS. You will understand the benefits of multi-AZ and failover conditions in this module. Now, let's review what the learning outcomes that you can expect from this course are. You will familiarize yourself with AWS RDS service and will gain enough information to get started with it. Secondly, you will learn how to create, configure, and manage an RDS DB instance in a default network as well as VPC. You will also learn how to deploy RDS databases in a highly available configuration. And all this will definitely boost your work or project or career prospects. At TreacherTutorials.com, we focus on in-demand skills and real-world education. Gaining this practical knowledge and experience with AWS RDS will be very valuable for your career, and it'll be a right step towards improving your work or project or career prospects. The more in-depth knowledge you have about AWS RDS, the more marketable you will be.